there are so many ways of accessing these tools, but for organizing your work well, I normally encourage people to go through the Google Drive to access forms, sheets, and so on. You'll be able to organize those tools in one place. File management is very important. That when you are looking for it, you are able to find it somewhere. So here are some of my files. If I'm going to create this form and I want it to be in the classroom, maybe I start by creating a folder. I can call it attendance. Attendance, I'm going to create a form and share a link so that you can be able to register attendance. Today's attendance. So this folder, you open it after creating it, meaning I'm going to create all my registration, my attendance forms there. Actually, I'm a class coordinator here. In my class, we register online, and I have a folder for that. So you come here and create new. When you come here, you created new. You created a folder, you uploaded. You can upload a folder file just as we have seen. Now, here there is docs, sheets, slides, but I'm interested in forms. I encourage you to create a blank form. Later on, we'll explore how to do it from the template. You can even create a quiz from here. I will create a form. I've selected the form. Actually, Google, when you are doing things with the Google tools or online tools, especially Google tools, they save automatically. So immediately I created it, it was created. In the what? It was saved. But I want to give it a name that EduTech Meetup. So the form I've given it a name as EduTech Meetup. So it is saved as this one in the other folder. That is the first step. Step number 2 is here are the tools I'm going to use in your right hand here. The other way of learning these things, when you select this tool, it is going to, when you highlight it, it's going to show you that add a question. Here, you can import questions. We are looking at the tools. You can add the title, you can add images, you can add videos, you can add a selection. We shall see those things now. I will not put the description because I want it to do it very fast. The question number 1, I want you to give me your names. Both names. That question is created. Now there are options here. Short answer, paragraph, multiple questions, checkbox, drop down. There are so many options here, but for me, I want you to give me a short answer. So that question has been created. Now I can duplicate. Here there is duplicate. I make it required. Though in the settings, you can make it automatically every field required, but here manually you can do it and say, make this one required. It will bring a star. You can't proceed without filling in your names because everyone here has a name. So normally what I do myself, I just duplicate. Then here I will say, where are you attending from? Did I want a short answer. Let me be specific. I say country. You also can give us the district and the village. Then still I'm going to add another question here. I'm going to duplicate and say, I'll need your WhatsApp number. Then you can give me also the other number. Email address. Email. Then you can also, I always encourage you to put space for comment. Normally when you are talking of comment, you use an option of paragraph. Someone can write as many words he wants. This one will give you the feedback. You can put comments. Don't make it required because some people don't have comments normally. So I forgot to say, where are you attending from? Are you physical or online? Are you attending physical or online? Oh no. This is a question you need to have multiple choice. Multiple choice. Multiple choice, you can you choose one. Checkbox, you can give us two answers. Physical then you add another option, online. Then you can say both. There are people who are online like me, and I'm attending both. Both means you have logged in into Zoom. So from there, you can, your form is saved already. Let us check here some people are meeting room. From here, you can see the responses here. If I shared already the link, you would be seeing the responses here. Here are the settings. You must read very well and see. Make this one a quiz, no? Responses. Manage how responses are collected. Here, there are options here. Do not collect emails. You can choose not collect emails. You can choose any option here. Responder can just input the email address. Allow response editing. Someone can edit what he has sent. Normally people, this one is used somewhere. We shall look at it. Limit one response. Normally you want only one, each student submit one, and you should know that person who submitted. That's why you say, the That's why you have to restrict that to collect emails. Then here you limit one response. Yes, I'm going to limit one response because you are attending one person. Presentation, manage how the form and the responses are presented. That one, we look at it, you can explore form default settings. You may put up settings that you are going to use for even other forms. You make them default. Now, where I have to set up where this is supposed to be, I have to link it. I can say create a spreadsheet. That spreadsheet is going to be created in that folder where I'm going to be seeing all of you, all that data. Can you imagine that data becomes an Excel sheet that you are going to, instead of retyping the names and getting the secretary, you type those names. You just have to create a link in a few minutes. And then, so I'll leave this one open. I won't leave it open because some people will see other people's data, but that data will be collected here, names, where are you attending from, and the WhatsApp number will come as an Excel sheet. So that's how it solves. So now here here is where you come. On your right hand, there is the word send. Send, you can collect a link here. You shorten the link, you copy that link. Now I'm going to share that link in the WhatsApp group, in the Zoom and WhatsApp group, and say register here. So I'll be collecting the data using the Google Form.